Reasons to start video marketing. Marketing, it's the greatest industry to have changed the world ever since the Industrial Revolution changed construction and can somehow create money out of nothing. And although many of us might think of it as a thing only rich people take part in, what with the Super Bowl ads and the Times Square billboards, the fact of the matter is that there are thousands of people working as marketers making tons of cash with practically zero investment. And all of those are completely regular people like you and me. So what is this golden goose of a work idea? Some of you may already have heard of it. That's right, it's affiliate marketing, and not just your everyday blogs kind, but with the largest segment of the market, video making. So, interested in making money sitting at home making videos? Without all the hassle and long journey of becoming a YouTuber or streamer? Well, come along, as in this video we'll give you some of the biggest, most insane benefits of becoming a video marketer. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe to the channel. Now, with that out of the way, let's jump in. 1. Modern medium. If you've ever even remotely tried to learn about affiliate marketing, you'll know that the biggest issue they face is that of getting the right audience, because let's face it, in 2021, people aren't queuing up to read a blog post or a text review. No, they want to watch videos, and as a result any video maker will have far greater chances of getting an audience and growing one. 2. 4 times better odds. Continuing on the train of people like videos, this is an often quoted statistic that may blow your mind, and that's the simple fact that people are rated 4 times more likely to watch a video about the same topic as read an article. 3. Platforms. One big issue with going on the blogging route is the fact that people need to find your website and visit it regularly in order to read stuff, and sure, after a while, and with a ton of luck you may get that, but on the video side that same effort will get you much better rewards, and the reason is platforms. Stuff like YouTube and IGTV and TikTok are massive places with a huge number of potential buyers swimming around looking for new content, and with on-site monetization, promotion, and subscriptions, people are just far more likely to discover and watch your videos. 4. More engaging. Online engagement is a tricky business, and finding the right method to keep your audience reading your article takes a long time to master. By comparison, video making is by nature more likely to keep people watching your videos, which makes them more likely to pay attention and eventually get you the clicks you need. 5. More legitimate. By far the biggest reason people want to watch videos and why you should use them for your affiliate marketing strategy is that videos are much more powerful in convincing people to buy. See, anyone can write an article without ever having tested the actual product, while video making requires B-roll, editing, research, and oftentimes an actual demo, all of which make people trust the video more, and when they trust you, they will click on your link, which is ultimately all that we want. And that's about it. Of course, there are more niche reasons why you might want to start video marketing, but these are the biggest reasons why marketing via this format is much better than any other format. But that it's time we wind up. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll catch you all next time.